Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to get started in the apparel template setting up for any apparel orders. This first setup step will be the same no matter what department you're in. It's just getting all that basic information in there. So I've got my corporate order open here, and in my Illustrator tab I'm going to hit File, Open, and then in the Templates folder under the farm I'm going to click on Apparel Template and open that. So now that my template is in here, the first thing I'm going to do is pick what department I'm working on. So this is an embroidery order. So I'm going to turn on the embroidery layer, and then I'm going to take my order number and my customer name. I'm going to copy the customer name, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do that order number 19563-1 because I'm working on product 1. And then I'm going to do space and then just paste in that customer name. Then in the product title you'll have your garment SKU, so that will come down here to style number. Next we're going to check if this is pickup or shipping. So this one is pickup, so we know we're going to mark pickup here on the proof. Then we're going to go into our details and we're going to look. So this order gets a digital proof, but it does not get a press proof. So then we're going to take this press proof out. And it also in our modifiers, we can see that this is a bag and tag order, which is default checked on our embroidery template because that is our standard packaging method for this. But if it's any other packaging method, you'll want to move this around. Our standard for screen print and DTF is fold and tag for those, so those will automatically be checked on those templates. So now that we've got that basic information, then we're going to put our size in. So I'm just going to go to my text tool, and this is large tall, and there's 6 of them. So I'm just going to come in here to this white box to the right of large tall and put 6 in. And now I've got all the basic information. We're ready to start designing.